John Stowe here with Covenant Restorations. Water damage can turn your life upside down. It's more than just your property. It's your home, your business, your church, your memories, and even your family's safety can be at stake. At Covenant Restorations, we understand how overwhelming this can be. That's why we're here to guide you through every step with empathy, care, and expertise. Our team works quickly to restore your property, making sure it's safe, clean, and ready for you to move forward. We're here because family comes first. Give us a call at 918-321-HELP or visit our website at covenantrestorations.com to see how we can help you.